If you're looking for a fast breakdown of the 7 most crucial things you need to know about Luma AI, the best just released AI software, stick with me, because this tool is seriously next level, and I'll explain why you might want to try it before it explodes in popularity. And yes, you can try Luma AI completely free using the first link below. But more importantly, there's one feature at the end of this video that nobody's talking about, and it could be the real reason Luma AI outperforms everything else I've tested lately. Let's dive in. First, Luma AI is designed to turn real-world objects, places, or scenes into fully interactive 3D environments in just seconds. All you need is your phone. You record a video, upload it, and Luma's AI reconstructs it into a stunning photorealistic 3D model using NearF technology. No fancy scanner, no technical skills needed. This is a huge leap forward for creators, product marketers, and even game developers. Second, the results are shockingly detailed. I've used plenty of 3D tools over the years, and Luma's texture quality is easily top tier. It captures lighting, reflections, and depth with insane accuracy. Think of this as the difference between Google Street View and an actual movie scene. It's that good. Third, it's browser-based. No bulky software to download. That makes it extremely beginner-friendly, and it works on Mac, PC, or mobile. Luma has streamlined the entire pipeline for 3D content creation into a few clicks. Fourth, this isn't just for 3D nerds. If you run ads, sell products, or work in real estate, Luma can instantly generate immersive visuals to help convert more leads. Imagine showcasing your product in 3D, where your customer can spin it, zoom in, or explore it like they're holding it. Fifth, collaboration is seamless. You can share your models with a link, embed them on your site, or export them to other 3D platforms like Blender or Unity. It integrates well into existing workflows, which is rare for something so new. Sixth, Luma's free plan is generous. You can try it out without hitting a paywall instantly, and that's perfect if you just want to test how good the AI really is. Again, the free access link is below. And finally, the feature that makes Luma AI stand out, its prompt to 3D model generation. Yes, you can now describe what you want, and Luma generates a 3D scene or object from text. This is like Midjourney or DALL-E, but for immersive environments, and it's freakishly good. If you're still watching, you now understand why Luma AI is being called one of the best just released AI tools of the year. From 3D creators to marketers to e-com store owners, this tool can change your workflow overnight. If you want to explore more game-changing AI tools, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares in the description after testing literally thousands. They're all free to try. Thanks for watching. And now go play with Luma AI while it's still under the radar.